Yeah, hello, our people, the Yoruba people, the Abaores, the people of the book, the Hebrews, the Abaores. Yeah, I saw right now the Heritage TV. I think they're having the IFA World, whatever they're having, which is jazz. I'm just going to say a few things here. If you don't know the way, you have to be filled with knowledge. First, the Torah, the Bible, the ATOIWAERE is our book, right? And that's the way we have to follow, family by family. Stop taking us from madness to mess, okay? You'll be Christian today, Mashalashi tomorrow, and Ogun tomorrow. That wouldn't work for the Yoruba nation. Anyway, not everybody will be saved. Not of all Isheriala of Isheriala. So this is to tell you that we don't need the Ogun in this matter. We don't need Mashalashi. We don't need the churches. We need the original Torah, the laws of Moses and Christ. That's it. We follow that and we'll be saved. Praise ye, Oluwaye. Amen.